Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 108 Laravel 11 discount code add HTML set. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this already run localhost PSP. My admin in charge this real estate _Laravel 11. This is my database name, and this my project is available. Gem folder in charge this htdoc folder, and this is a project available. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's cmd. And this cmd means command prompt open this directory inside cmd open. Let's PSP this directory inside this cmd open PSP artisan server and enter. PSP artisan server successfully working good. This is the URL is a copy and paste here. This paste here. Successfully working fine. /admin login. Admin login. This is a login is available. Admin @gmail.com password is a 123456789 and click this login and not now. Why not login? Let's admin @gmail.com password 123456789 and click this login and not now. Successfully login good. Let's inside this is a discount code is a implementation. This is not available. Let's discount code is a implement. User is a discount code is a implement. Sense password inside this is a discount code is a implementation. New menu is a implementation. Let's start this. First of all, this sidebar open. This sidebar resource view admin body, and this is a sidebar. This sidebar is successfully open. Good working. And this is available. This is a sense password is available. Same here, copy and paste here. This paste here, and this 2 times is available. This is a sense password. Good working. This is a 2 times is available sense password. Let's name sense. This is a name is available discount code. Discount code. This discount code, and this is a discount code. Discount code is a implementation. Good. This is a discount code is successfully implementation. Let's refresh this page, and this is a fine. This is a discount code is working good. Let's click this discount code, and this is available. Discount code is click inside this available admin discount code. Same here, copy this admin discount code. Otherwise, this same is this copy route inside this web.php available, and inside this admin inside this create route get paste here. Discount code controller new create discount code controller. Discount code controller is a create and class and discount code. Same here paste here. This save file working fine. This discount code is a route is a create. This is a discount code inside this web.php open route inside. Same here copy. Otherwise this copy discount code copy, and inside this include use app http controller and paste here. Save file. Successfully save file. Let's copy this name. Copy app http controller, and this is a new and PSP. Successfully create this controller is a successfully created. This is a working fine. Let's blog inside this is a copy all copy and paste here, and this only simple name is a sense. This is a discount code. Same name is a discount code, and this is a remove not use. This is all successfully set. Let's public function create public function paste here. This is a paste. This is a discount code copy and paste, and this is a echo error solution code.com and this is a die. Let's close this and refresh this page. Good, working. This error solution code.com. This is a working fine. This is a working fine. This is a error solution code.com, and this my official website error solution code.com. Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available 24/7 hours. Anytime is a contact, please. And this my YouTube channel is available error solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Let's remove this. Remove, return, view. This is the admin dot discount code, and this is a list file, list, and close this. Let's copy, and admin folder is already available. This admin folder is available. The discount code is a create, new folder is a create, successfully create. This is a list file, list blade PSP, and this is a hello save file, and refresh this page, and this is a hello is available. Good, working. This is a remove successfully. This file is a working fine. This remove. Let's color inside. This is a list file is open, otherwise this is not a use. This is a list file is a implement. This is a city inside this list file is a control A, copy. This file is a copy and close this, and this is a close, not use. This is a discount file is a copy, and this is a paste here, successfully paste. Let's step by step. Extra is a all, remove, not use. This tr, this is not use, remove. Remove. This is a add button is a show. This search bar is a remove, successfully all remove. Let's refresh this page, discount code, and this is a working fine. This click this discount code is available. That's good. And this is the name is a sense. This is a discount code list inside this show. Good. Inside this is the name sense. This is the name is available. Discount code same name, copy, and inside the city, inside this paste here, save file, and this paste here, save file, and this is the admin, same copy and paste here, save file. Copy this name and paste here. Extra is all remove, not use this remove, and refresh this page. This is a fine, good, working. This click this discount code. This is a all successfully set. Let's implement. This is a click this all successfully implement. Please write down this file. Discount code is a very important this video. Please step by step watch. This same copy, otherwise this inside this click, and this is available admin discount code add. The same name is available. The same copy and web.php, and this is a get method. A tag means get method, get, and paste here. Discount code, copy, control copy, class, and this is the discount code add, and save file. Let's copy this name and inside this public function, paste here, and this is a inside this is a include echo error and die. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully available error. This is a error. Let's return, redirect the return view admin dot discount code dot add. Save file, successfully save file. Let's copy this name, copy inside this paste here. New file is a create add blade dot php, successfully create, and hello. This is a working fine. Let's refresh this page. Hello is available. Good, working. This is a hello is a successfully working fine. Inside this is a name is available city inside this is a add file is a open. This open add, control A, copy this file is a copy and close this, and inside this remove hello and paste here. Inside this is extra is a all remove, not use this remove. this is a save file and refresh this page. Please, this is a discount code is available. Click this discount code. Click this, insert this add discount code, and this is available step by step. This is the name is a sense, the city name is a remove, discount code is a implementation. This is a URL is a not use this remove, and this is discount code is a set, add discount code, save file and copy and paste your discount code. Good working this discount code. Same name is a copy and paste your save file. This is a fine. Let's step by step. Discount code field is a implementation. First field is a implementation. Let's save file and refresh this page. All good. This is a name is a sense. First field name is a sense. This is a field name is a step by step implementation. First field is a implementation. This is discount code. Same here, name is a sense. This is a name is a implement discount code, only discount code. And this is a discount code is a name set, and this is a name is a sense. This is a discount code. All good. This is a field is a implementation. Good. Discount code is a field implemented. Next here, same copy and paste here. Paste here. 2 times is a paste here. Next is a discount price. This is a discount price. This is a discount price is a set, and this is the name is only sense. This is a discount price. Good working. Next is a expiry date. This is a discount code, discount price, and this is a expiry code. This is a expiry date. Means a code, not expiry date. And this is available is a date speaker. This is a not a text, only date is a implementation date, and this is a text. Next is a type, percentage and amount. The same here, copy and paste here, and this is a not use this remove, and this is a type. 2 type is available. This is a type. The 2 type is a select name type, form controller, class form controller, option value 0, percentage. 0 means percentage is a set. This is a percentage. Very unique video. This is a channel is a very popular video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. This is a lot of view available. Please, this is a my channel is a very big channel. This is a very large channel. Successfully set, and last is a available use unlimited discount code use, otherwise one time discount code is a use. Same here, copy and paste here, and this is a use. Discount code is a use. This is a unlimited and one time is available. This second is available unlimited. This 2 is unlimited, and this is a one time. One time, and this is a one time and unlimited, and this is a name is a sense use. Same name is a copy and paste here use. This is a fine. Use is a successfully fine. Let's write down step by step. This video is a write down. All good. This is the implementation. Let's refresh this page. Successfully implementation. This is this discount code is this is a discount code in this is a add Sunday, and this is a discount code, and discount is at 80. This is a date is a which date is a expiry. This is a date is a expiry. Percentage is the amount means a one time can limited one time, and this submit, and inside this is a show, and this is a next video is a show. This submit is a next video, and table is a next video is a create. This video is a this HTML. Let's check this HTML table, and this table is available inside. This is a implement tr and a td. Same name is a copy. This is not used. This inside this implement, let's same name, copy and remove this. Copy, paste, save file. First of all, this is the available discount code. Same name is a copy and paste here. Discount code is available. Next is a discount price. This is a discount price is available. Next is a expiry date. This is a all step by step this set, and this is a type. This name is a type is available. Next is a use. Good working. This is a all implementation. This is a fine. Please write down this file. Let's refresh this page, and this is inside this list is a show. Good working. And the same name is a copy inside. This is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 is available. Same here, copy 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is available. This is a 9. Good working. This is a 9 type is available. This is a box. Add inside. This is the implementation. Add the discount. Add inside the submit record all and redirection inside. This is a redirection, and this is the discount code inside. This is a show. This is a only HTML show, not a dynamic. Only HTML show. Inside this add, this is new table is a create discount code after store inside this show, and this is the video is only done. This is only HTML is a set. HTML is available, list HTML and add HTML set. This is a first of all, this is a sidebar is a create. Second is a route is a create. Inside this implementation, this is a model is a create, and this is a this file is a create. This all good. This file is a successfully create, and this list file is a create. This all successfully done. Please write down this file. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.